Welcome to this video on how to create a BMI calculator using Python. This is day 11 of the 30 days of Python. Now let's go over the BMI table. So once you are below 18.5, you are underweight. Once you are 18.5 to 24.9, you have a healthy weight. Once you are 25 to 29.9, you are overweight, and once you are 30 and above, you are suffering from obesity. We're going to create our BMI calculator, find the BMI, and then at the end of the day, program it. I've already written out the algorithm. I'll copy the algorithm, open the Python prompt, and create a new file. I'll paste it, save it. I'll save it to my desktop. So I'll save it as diagnosis.py. Now I'll convert this to comments, because if you run a program like this, it will give you an error. Now a comment is basically part of your code that is ignored by the interpreter. So we'll gradually start to program it. So the first step is easy. It says explain the purpose of the program to the user. So what we do is this. We say print this is a my calculator. The next one, ask the user for their weight, float, input, please enter your weight. What this will do for you is that it will allow, this float will allow the user take in decimal numbers. Ask the user for their height. Height is equal to float input, please enter your height. So what this will do is it will ask the user for their height. Now calculating the BMI. BMI is the weight all over the height times itself. So we'll say BMI is equals to weight divided by height times height. Then we'll round out the BMI to one decimal place. So say BMI equals to round BMI, 1. Now we'll display the BMI. So we say print BMI and we'll save. Then we'll run the program. Let's close this and run again. Okay, so enter your weight. I will enter a weight of 70. Enter your height 1.75, and it gives me a BMI of 22.9. However, there is no diagnosis, so let's program the BMI table. and get a diagnosis. So the way to do that is, let's review the table again. The first condition is if below 18.5. So we say if BMI less than 18.5, print on the weight, else if BMI, because it's two conditions, we use and. So 18.5 to 24.9, that is if BMI greater than or equals to 18.5 and BMI less than 25. Less than just takes care of all the cases. So we say print. And the table says that is healthy weight. And if so now 25 to this 29.9. So say BMI greater than 25 and BMI less than 30. Print. Overweight. Now the last condition is easy. You just say else. Anything else, you say print obese. You save. Go and run it. Enter your weight. 106. Okay, 105. Enter your height. 1 point, sorry, 75. So the person is obese. So with that, we come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. This is day 11 of 30 days of Python. Like and follow for more. Please subscribe for more content. Thank you.